Is your website costing you customers? It's important that you maintain your site and optimize it for your purposes. So we want to share some tips with you on how you can do that. One of the most important things that we see is making sure that your site is optimized for mobile as well as for desktop, so that anyone can see, regardless of their screen size, what's on your website. The standard that we like to go by at Sparkz Marketing is a Galaxy Fold for the skinniest screen. The other thing that you want to be aware of is site load speed. If a site takes too long to load, people will go away from it. They will find somewhere else to get the information. So you want to make sure that anything that you are putting on your site is only uploading what is important right away and uploading the other stuff later. The third thing that you want to be aware of is the purpose of why you're directing people to that specific page on your site. You want to optimize the content on that page for what their purpose is. If you're directing them from an ad, then you want to make sure that it only has information that the ad is advertising. We promise that as you do these things, more people will be more interested in your site. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to comment below on what those are, and we'd love to help you out.